Okay, so today we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna run the course for the MRCS Part A. Firstly, as a quick introduction, you have the community here, as you know. Please try to be more interactive. I thank you, Muhammad Shafi, for being like putting posts and communicating to each other. You can ask any question. Here we have the previous experiences. You can like and unlike. You can add a question or a comment, or even you can send material like a link, or you can send a file. Okay, in the community tab. You can send material. You can chat to each other, as you know. We want this community to be very interactive. I will be putting post every single day here. I want this to be very active. Then after the community, you have the classroom. Is the same as before, but we did updated a lot of videos, and we did updated a lot of we did updated the procedure, and we did update the knowledge part. For example, this is the history station, as you know. You can study from here. This is the seizure. The video is the same here, but this also will be updated soon to a newer video. Okay. And then you have the communication skills, you have the MS examination, you have the procedure skill. For example, these are procedure skills. These are videos that we updated now. For example, the most high yield skills are the, let's say, the skin lesion excision, one of the most common stages. So you can see is very nice according to the MRCS, and you have the title here: examine a question and elliptical. Do you see the question? When I scroll right and left, there's a gap between them, so it has a specific title. As you know, once you finish anything to study, just press here. Okay, so in order to tell us that you studied that part. Why? Because we can follow you up. We can follow up with you doing that. For example, if I go into Muhammad, um, let's go back. If I went to any member, I'm not gonna go to Muhammad. Let's say I went to this member, I can see the courses and I can see how his or her progress from here. Okay, this is the main important part. This is the calendar. This is your course basically. Okay, so the course will be August and will finish at end of December, September. I mean, okay. So all of this is the calendar. So you can add this to your calendar. For example, let's say you have a phone, you can press here, add to calendar, and you can add it to your phone. Okay. So I would ask everyone to add it to his or her phone. All right. And then you will see the title and the time of the station. The time of the station will be according to your country. So it's 7 p.m. here in London, but it will appear to you as your country. Okay. So I'm sure for Muhammad is different for your side, right? If you went to the calendar and you open this one, it won't be 7 p.m. It will be later than that, according to your country. Okay. So this is a time which will be adjusted according to your country, and this is what we're gonna discuss. Okay. We're gonna discuss the
Sorry,
effective Sudan.
is it London time or?
Yeah, London time, yes. London time. But it will be adjusted to according to your place. So if you are living in a different country, the time will appear to you according to your country. Okay. And when you be here and when you're here in the community, it will tell you when exactly the session will be. Okay, it will say introduction in 2 hours or introduction in 1 hour. Let me show you an example. So this is part A that we're doing, and you can see here introduction is happening in 52 minutes. So it will tell you exactly when it's going to happen according to your place, so you don't need to worry about the time. All right, let's continue the calendar. This is your calendar, and this is what we're going to follow. On the 5th, on the Sunday, on the Wednesday, 5th of August, we will discuss these two stations. As we said, you can add it to your calendar. And if you want to attend, you just press on this link and it will take you to the lecture. That's all what you need to do. And then, if you want to study this one, if you want to study the infected pseudoaneurysm and rectal bleeding, you go to classroom, you go to history, and this is the infected pseudoaneurysm, and this is rectal bleeding. So you can study from here, study the whole scenario and presentation and practice it, try to record yourself and everything, and come ready for the discussion. And here you can he- here you can listen to the video, and as we said, you can tick and untick, and this will show you your progress here. So when you tick from here and untick, this will show you your progress. We will follow this schedule to the end. We have what we call self-study. So for the knowledge part, we came the course from before. We're not going to teach you all the knowledge part, but we will teach you some of the knowledge part, because also a lot of students fail because of the knowledge part. So we'll do 3 or 4, maybe 5 or 6 sessions for the knowledge, just to make sure that you understand the most common station in the knowledge part. Okay, so that's one of the new things we've done. Here you can see that you have, we say self-study. That means there is no meeting, but we will tell you what to study exactly. Hypotension and bradycardia, preoperative hypothermia, preoperative aortic stenosis, and acute abdominal atrial fibrillation. This is in the critical care. If you want to study this one, you will see the topic. You can add this to your calendar like this, add it to your calendar, and then come to the classroom. Okay, go to critical care, which is here, and study the one, this one, and we give you the timetable. Okay, when you study it from here, very organized, very nice, and it's updated. We updated every single one of them. You can tick and untick, and it will show you your progress. Okay, so the live sessions are different than the live sessions are different than the self-study. When you see self-study, that means you're studying yourself. But we created a link for you. Why we created a link? We created a link just in case if you want to attend and practice with someone. And as you can see, the link is free from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. So you can come and join here and join the call and see, go to the Telegram group here and say, I want someone to join me now for to practice this and this on this link, and you provide the link. So we created a meeting if you want to practice with someone, but we will not be delivering lecture on that day. Okay, is that clear? So if you have the hypotension and bradycardia, you can come here and go to the meeting, ask in the Telegram group, I want someone to be with me, guys, to practice this station, and you can come to this meeting if you want to practice this station. All right. If we're doing a live session, the live session will be like this. It won't say self-study. If it says self-study, that means it's self-study. If we say history station, that means we're doing live and it's going to be practical. All right. Here you can add it to the calendar as I already showed you. You add it to your calendar from here. Okay, add it to your calendar. Here, what you need to study: hematuria, inguinal hernia, and pulmonary embolism. You come to the classroom, you go to the history station, and you study the hematuria and the pulmonary embolism and the rectal bleeding. You study from here. Once you study it, you tick and untick. This is the calendar for the whole course. From A to Z, you will have all the calendar here. Okay. When we say self-study, as I said, you just need to study yourself. All right. Then you have the members. You can speak to each other, as you see. You have the map. The map is one of the good features. So you can locate yourself and see who's close to you. Okay. For example, we have Arij or Muhammad, and Muhammad, you are in UK. Arij, I think you are in Doha. Am I right? You can unmute yourself if you want. Just train yourself to unmute yourself.
Right, Dr. Ali.
Yes, you are in Doha, right?
Yes, right. I'm in Doha.
Okay, so you can go to the map and press on your location, which will put your location there, and then will show you who are close to you, so you can chat with them. For example, let's say where you are. Is that the location is not exactly the same, but it's close. Okay, so you have Ma'ab and you have Arid, you are here. So what you can do, so you can speak to Ma'ab here. Chat. Hi. Can you practice with me? I will say, can you practice practice with Arid? Okay. You may live together and you may click, and the time will be the same time. If you can see the time in Qatar now is 7:14 in your place. So the time will be adjusted according to your place. This is the map. Here the leaderboard. The leaderboard is who's active. Okay, we use not to make it like entertaining. However, we'll make it entertaining this time. So at the end of the course, the one that's the leaderboard of all time, which is Muhammad Shafi now, if he continued to be the leaderboard, we will give him a prize. How you can be the leaderboard? You need just to put more posts. You need to post here more in the community. You need to ask more questions, reply to other people, ask, like any post you find, you can like it. You can add a comment. Each comment, each like you do will add points to you. Okay, this is a leaderboard. This will, if you want to be on top here, this is how you can get to the leaderboard by asking questions in the community, by replying, by posting videos. That's how you can be on the leaderboard. That's all. That's how we're going to use the app. That's how we're going to study. And as I said, you don't need to study from any other material. I wanted to stick to what we have. We updated the knowledge part, and we keep updating the skills part also. And we will practice with you the same way at the exam. I just forgot to mention. Let's say you want to discover how we teach the other people. We have previous sessions, okay? For example, if you want to look at the course in, for example, September 2025, you can come here, and this is one of the courses we've done, okay? And it's literally recorded from you from A to Z. That's a record, okay? So the record is here, and just open from here. You can watch the recording. We know some other people who just sell this recording. You have these courses ready for you to see how we can how we give people advice, okay? And here you have the stations that we discussed on that day, and even the station is divided here, okay? So that was discussed in the first 26 minutes, and this is the second station, and this is the third station. Okay, everything is recorded, so you can go and watch and see how we approach it. Okay, this one of the we will open two. We have a lot of courses before, but we'll open one or two for you guys, and then you can watch it there. All right, where will you find the course? You will find the course here. Do you see this August 2026? That's your course. You will come here, and when we do the session with you guys, the first day, you see here 5th of August. Okay, we'll discuss this two station. After we finish the stage, after we finish the session, it will be uploaded here. Okay, so you will see, you can go and review your recording here. It will be here. So this also is a calendar for you, but in a different way. So the calendar we put outside is also here. Even we let you know when you self-study what you need to study. The critical care, we tell you what you need to study on the critical care on that day. So you just need to follow this one. This is August 2026, which you guys, there's a lot didn't attend. We have 13 person, but we just recorded the station and we'll upload it to them. So you can, like you will see your recording here. And at the end of the course will be exactly close to these courses. It will be like this one. You see, it will be like everything recorded. Do you see? Everything. The knowledge part is not recorded because, as we said, you're gonna study it yourself, but we will do sessions with you. But this will be recorded. Okay. This Ahmad Sadiq. He is one doctor, only two doctors, Sudanese doctor who passed in Kuala Lumpur. Him and Fath Rahman. You will see them on this recording. Kuala Lumpur exam was very difficult. It wasn't easy. Okay, so this is all. I will just open the questions. If you have any question, you can ask me, and then we will conclude our session for today. That's how we're gonna run it. Okay. Ari, did you book your exam? Did you decide yet or not?
Actually, not yet, but
Okay.
I'm trying. Yeah, I'm trying to continue my reading يعني schedule. So
Okay.
yeah, it's schedule, but it's still not decided yet till the end.
Okay. Will you be like? Okay. I think Ari. I promised you to call you, but I was very busy, unfortunately. What I would
Okay.
say, let's aim for the next one. I want you to be fully involved in this course, and the next appropriate exam date, you take it.
Okay.
not the
You
September.
see now
If
there is
September one.
March Egypt
March Egypt.
because yeah
December
September.
England will also open in Egypt. Trust me. December there will be
Uh-huh.
one in December 20, and I see in the
Which
group
you call
someone
it? Uh,
England. Someone
in-
put a image on the group.
okay.
Khartoum group. I think there's a lot of places open recently. All
Okay.
right.
Okay. So I will
Don't
observe
go
that
for
in
Kuala
that.
Lumpur. Don't go for Kuala Lumpur,
Yeah,
and
because I'm
don't go
not
for
ready.
any exam in England
Mm.
or just Abu Dhabi, Dubai, uh, uh, maybe
Egypt.
Egypt. These three. Okay.
Okay.
Forget December. Forget September. Join for the next one. Okay.
Okay, great. Okay,
September
inshallah.
is
Is
yes.
it, can I ask a question, please?
Yes, of course, Muhammad. Tell me.
For the Kuala Lumpur, is there something specifically not to go there, or because it's the date for the exam is quite close to day? You mean
And
when
I
you
think
said no?
it's just the experiences we had Muhammad with Kuala Lumpur. We have two who already passed.
Mm,
But these two who passed, there were 13 with them who didn't pass,
mm,
and 13 Sudanese. They were not with us. However, even the two
mm,
that passed, it was Muhammad Sadiq and Al Fatih. Both of them were very senior. They are surgeon for years and years.
mm, mm,
So
mm,
I would say try to avoid it if you can.
mm.
Okay.
But you
And
suggest Dr. Ali, Egypt and Abu Dhabi and
Egypt, Abu Dhabi, and Cairo. Yeah, Cairo, Abu Dhabi, and like any place in Egypt, any place in UAE. I wouldn't say so. For Bahrain, if it was any college beside Ireland, you can do it there. But if it's Ireland, no. And I heard Saudi will open too. So if Saudi open, then also take Saudi. Okay. But Muhammad, you're already planning for Saudi. Okay, if you have no question, I will just conclude it there. I will upload this introduction. It will be on the community. So please give it thumb up. I want to from today to start asking question in the community. Try to make the community more active. Okay? Tamam?
Okay,
okay,
inshallah.
okay.
Yalla, salam alaikum.